Hi, boys and girls. Our task is all about how we are creating a superhero that has super science powers to solve one of the problems that's happening around our school. So today we're going to talk about your comic strip. How can I plan out my comic strip? First, you need a superhero. And you guys have thought of some really great superheroes that you've already designed. So the next thing you're going to think about is, what is your setting? Where will your superhero be? Are they at the playground? Are they at school? Are they in the CDI? Are they in the classroom? The other thing that you need to be thinking about is, well, what is the problem that I'm going to have my superhero solve? That will really help you with what your setting is. Like, if you're going to be working with broken technology, you'll probably be in the CDI, or maybe in the classroom. If you're going to be cleaning up trash, maybe you'll want to be in the lunchroom. Maybe you'll be in the classroom cleaning up the scuff marks, or organizing a classroom that is very, very, very disorganized. Maybe you'll be on the recess playground, getting the chalk off of the covered areas, or fixing damaged iPads. You're going to be able to solve all of these problems with your science power. Now, we've talked about a magnifying glass, a hand lens, and how it makes small things look bigger. Maybe that's what you'll use. We've talked about gravity, how it pulls everything down. Maybe your superhero will use gravity. Or maybe your superhero will use a different motion. Maybe they'll do something in a straight line, or zigzag, or circle, round and round, or even back and forth. So let's think of some examples. Well, maybe you're trying to figure out, I want to solve the problem of dirty lunch tables and the trash that gets left all over. So I'm going to use a straight line. My superhero is going to take all of that trash, and he has powers that will move all of that trash into the trash can in a straight line. And now the lunch tables are all clean. And it only takes him a second, so he gets to do that and help all of the lunch tables stay clean, which means less work for Mr. Matt. Maybe you're thinking about how you want to solve the technology problem. And I think I'm going to use my hand lens. I know. We could use the hand lens to find the broken pieces in this technology, and we can repair it and turn them into a mega computer. I think that would be awesome. We would be recycling this and repurposing it. So now it's your turn. You get to pick what superhero you want. Let's see. Miss Lydell picked Captain Cleanup. Where they will be, I chose the playground. The problem, Miss Lydell's problem, that Captain Cleanup is going to solve is that there's trash all over at recess. My superhero, Captain Cleanup, is going to use his back and forth science power to make the playground nice and clean again. I hope that this helped and that you are ready to start drafting your science-powered superhero. Good luck.